Senior Congress leader Sonia Gandhi slammed the central government's silence on the killing of Iran's supreme leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei. In a column written for the Indian Express, she said that silence in such a situation cannot be seen as neutral. She described it as an abdication of responsibility. She stated that Khamenei was assassinated in targeted strikes carried out by the United States and Israel. Gandhi called it a grave development in global politics. She noted that it happened during ongoing negotiations and without a formal declaration of war. Gandhi suggested that India's response had been limited. She pointed out that the Prime Minister Narendra Modi had first condemned Iran's retaliatory strike on the UAE. She added that later statements only expressed concern and called for dialogue. Gandhi mentioned that India should have clearly defended sovereignty and international law. She argued that remaining silent weakens global norms. She also referred to the Prime Minister's recent visit to Israel and his support for its leadership. She said the timing of the assassination raised concerns. Highlighting past ties, she recalled that Iran had supported India in 1994 at the UN on the Kashmir issue. She said Tehran had helped block efforts to internationalize Kashmir issue. She also mentioned India's strategic interest, including access near Zahedan and regional connectivity. She stressed that India has relations with both Iran and Israel. She suggested this gives India space to act as a balanced voice. But she cautioned that credibility depends on standing by principles. Moreover, she added that nearly 10 million Indians live in the Gulf region. She said India's ability to protect them has always depended on being seen as an independent actor. In conclusion, Gandhi wrote that if India wishes to lead the global south, it must speak clearly. She argued that silence at a time of global tension carries cost.